Our foot health is extremely important to help prevent and resolve aches and pains. However, it can be expensive to pay for orthotics that are right for our feet. Today I'm going to be going over an alternative orthotic option that can help you resolve your knee, ankle, hip, or even low back pain. This technique is scientifically proven, and if you want to order a pair of these orthotics, go ahead and check out the link in the description down below, and be sure to stay to the end of the video because I'm going to be going over a secret way to keep these orthotics for even longer. Here's our orthotic we're going to be using today. These run around $15 off of Amazon, and we're going to be using a technique to modify this so that it's appropriate for your foot. The first thing we're going to need to do is look at our feet. And what we're looking at in specific is this second MTP joint here, and we're looking to see if it's further away from the body than your first MTP joint. This commonly results in the second toe being longer than your big toe, but not always. The reason it's important to compare that first and second MTP joint is because when that second MTP joint is further away from the body, it doesn't allow us to fully load that big toe, which then alters our walking mechanics, and then we get repetitive stress up the ankle, knee, hip, and even into the low back, and you guessed it, that's what this technique is going to be focusing on. And if you don't have this issue going on, you can still gain benefit out of this technique because it can help with arch support as well as increase overall comfort. If you're getting value out of today's video, let me know by hitting that like and subscribe button. Now let's jump in on how to modify these orthotics. Go ahead and grab your orthotic and your scissors. What we're gonna do is cut a 1 inch wide by 2 1/4 inch for women, or 1 inch wide by 2 1/2 inch for men. Go ahead and cut one strip for each foot. Grab one of your orthotic strips and some Scotch tape. Place the top of the orthotic strip at the first MTP joint or the second place that your big toe will move. Then tape it in place. I'm using kinesio tape for this, but normal Scotch tape will actually work the best. This will allow us to fully load the big toe and normalize our walking mechanics. As promised, a secret to keep these orthotics even longer is to buy the largest size so that you can make the most orthotic strips. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment down below letting me know how these orthotics work for you, and also don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future content.